Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up QuickBooks for an eBay business. Um, we're going to make a couple of modifications to the chart of accounts. The first thing I'm going to do is create a PayPal bank account. Let me just right-click on it so you can see. This is a regular bank account. I'm going to call it PayPal account, and this is going to represent my PayPal account. The next account that I have to make is a cost of goods sold account for my eBay fees. Let me just right click on this one. This is a cost of goods sold account. This is just like a regular expense account, and I'm going to call it eBay fees. So let's go ahead and close this one. The next account that I'm going to make is shipping cost. So this is also a cost of goods sold account. It's called freight and shipping costs. This is going to be the fees that the shipping charges. And then finally, another cost of goods sold account that we're going to make is our PayPal fees. This is a cost of goods sold account called PayPal fees. Let's go ahead and close that out. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up a daily sales. You can set this up like once a week. For the customer, I just make a generic customer called eBay customer, and create a service item called weekly sales, and this is going to represent our weekly sales for the week or for day or however you want to do it. For this thing, we have $3,000 in weekly sales. Let me show you how to make this item for your business. This is a service item linked up to the income account called sales. Just a regular old plain service item. Don't really get all fancy. And the whole point of this is just to represent your sales income. So let's get back to the sales receipt. So this is going to represent the total sales that I did, not counting any fees or anything. Just pure sales. This is including any fees that I might have charged with for shipping charges and everything. So I'm going to press save and close, and what this does is it's going to transfer it to my undeposited funds. So when I'm ready to transfer the money to my PayPal account, I'm going to press OK. And instead of depositing into my checking account, I'm going to deposit it into my PayPal account. This is actually where you go ahead and deduct all of the fees once everything is cleared. So from this weekly sales of $3,000, I'm going to go to account, and I'm going to start deducting the fees. So I'm going to say that I'm going to select my freight and shipping charges, and I'm going to say that they only did that they charged us $100 in shipping for the $3,000 in merchandise that we shipped out, and for the eBay, I'm going to say that eBay charged us $300. And as I'm doing this, these are going to be negative numbers. And then finally PayPal charges a lot, so let's say PayPal charges us $500, so it's going to be negative $500. So from my $3,000, I'm going to deduct my shipping, my eBay, and my PayPal fees. The total is going to be $2,100. This amount should match what is in your PayPal account. And I'm going to deposit into my PayPal account. So I'm going to hit save and close. And I just want to show you what shows up on your profit and loss. For your sales, it's going to show that you had $3,000 in sales. Let's close this out. For your eBay fees, it's going to show that you had $300 in eBay fees. For your shipping, it's going to show that you had the charge for the shipping. And also for the PayPal fees, it's going to say that it's going to recognize the expense that you deducted the expense for the PayPal fees. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to actually transfer the money to our bank account. So we're going to hit on banking, and I'm going to scroll down until I see the menu that says transfer funds. So this is where I'm actually going to transfer whatever is left into my personal checking account. They usually do a wire transfer, so let's say I'm going to transfer $2,000 in case they charge us any more fees. I'm going to call this weekly sales. So save and close. Again, you start off with a sales receipt. For a customer, it's going to be the customer job. For my item, I'm going to click Item Weekly Sale. That's going to represent my weekly sale. For the deposit, when I hit the record deposit, I'm actually going to deposit it not into my checking account, but into my PayPal account. And any expenses are going to be negatives. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I will help you out the best that I can.